Jacqueline Fernandez is one of the most talked about celebrities of the Hindi film industry. The actress also enjoys a huge fan following on social media, and she keeps them hooked by posting about her day-to-day life. Today, the Race 3 star shared a stunning picture of herself where she is seen wrapped in a black cloth. What did Jacqueline post? Jacqueline's black and white picture has fans go gaga over her sexy avatar. In the picture, the actress has left her hair loose. The dark heavy eye makeup and glossy lips completes Jacqueline's look in this sexy picture. She captioned the picture as "far, far away."